Lesson 4, number 8. Let's make the instructions bigger. Sometimes it's useful to display text along with the value of a variable in the same line of output. To do this, use plus to attach the value stored in a variable onto a string of text characters. Here's an example. Var score gets 0. Write current score, space, plus score. More about the plus symbol. If both values are numbers, plus means to add those two numbers together. This is standard addition. It works both with numbers and with variables that contain numbers as shown below. Var num1 gets 5 plus 7. Var num2 gets num1 plus 10. In this case, plus will do addition like you would expect. If either of the values is a string or text, plus treats both as if they were strings and combines them to create a single string. This is potentially confusing behavior and can get pretty weird if the text looks like numbers. For example, this code will display 16100 to the screen. Var num equals 100. Write 16 plus num. So notice how 16 is in quotes. So it's not going to add them together. If it actually added them together, it would be 116. But instead, it puts the numbers 16 followed by the numbers 100. Do this. We have given you the starting code shown below. You should modify the write statement on line 2 to combine text and variables together to make the app display a single line of text as shown. Modify the write statement on line 2 to combine the text and variables together to make the app display a single line of text as shown. So your score is 0. So we need to change this text. Your score, space. Notice how I put a space after the colon. That makes it easier to read. And then I want you to get in the habit of putting a space before and after the plus sign. So we want to display the variable score here. And it's giving us a message that lives is defined but is not called in your program. It's not telling us to use lives, so we could do that. Run it, and it says your score is 0. So we've done what's there. If we also wanted to display lives, I'm going to copy this line of code, make a new blank line, paste the line of code, and then let's make this lives. And lives here, reset, run it. Now we're displaying both of them, and that is correct, and we finished the program.